Figma Collaboration Tool Pricing explained what you get for your money. Figma starts with a free plan for individuals, but the professional plan costs per editor per month, and the organization plan reaches per editor per month. Most people think it's just a wee design tool, but the surprising truth is that Figma is a cloud-based platform built for collaborative design across product teams. With Figma, multiple users can work on the same design in real time, leaving comments, making edits, and tracking version history. It supports UX design, wireframing, prototyping, and developer handoff, all from a browser or desktop app. Plugins and integrations enhance workflow, automation, and team efficiency. For your money, you're investing in real-time collaboration and centralized design workflows. Teams using Figma report faster iterations, improved communication, and fewer errors compared to traditional design tools. In conclusion, Figma delivers value by enabling seamless collaboration, powerful design tools, and workflow efficiency. If your goal is to streamline design work and improve team productivity, Figma is an excellent choice.